Night mode is a built-in feature on iPhone 11 and newer, where your iPhone automatically lowers the shutter speed in low-light conditions, meaning your iPhone will spend more time capturing the photo, resulting in a brighter photo in dark conditions. If I'm in a well-lit room like this and I take a photo on my phone, you'll see how it just quickly snaps the photo. That's it. To demonstrate night mode, I'll just partially cover my camera to trick my phone into thinking that it's dark. You'll see a little yellow night icon appear on the top of my screen. And if I take a photo now, my phone will tell me to hold still for about 3 seconds. That's because it's now allowing a full 3 seconds to open the shutter and let light go into my camera sensor. Something that, in bright light, would only take a fraction of a second. Overall, this feature is automatic and you don't really need to touch anything. It works in the background and it works really well. If you want, you can turn night mode off by tapping the yellow icon on the top of your screen. Tap it again to turn it back on. If you tap and hold the night mode button, you'll see a couple of options. On the top where it says night mode, you have a few options for your shutter speed. You can use automatic or the maximum setting. Both of these change according to your surroundings. The maximum can be something like 10 seconds or up to 30, or something a lot less. You'll see when I let more light into my camera, the maximum time goes down. The crazy thing about night mode is how sharp and good the low light photos look. If you take a professional camera and set your shutter speed to 3 seconds, even the steadiest hand in the world will never get a sharp image when shooting handheld. Apple has built a background process that eliminates camera shake during the long night mode photo capture, resulting in nice and sharp photos even when shooting handheld in low light conditions. And that's night mode on the iPhone. On newer models, this also works in portrait mode, and most iPhones can do this with the front camera as well.